screen. With high 19.5:9 aspect ratio, providing you ultra-wide vision and shocking visual experience while you are watching TV or surfing the internet. And thanks to the high resolution of 1080 by 2340. Ulefone Power 6 packs the latest MTK Helio P35 Octa-core CPU, which uses advanced TSMC 12 nanometers FinFET production process. Compared with Helio P30, Helio P35's running performance is greatly improved, become more smooth, and the power consumption is reduced by 35%. Ulefone Power 6 runs the latest Android version, Android 9.0 Pie OS. Ulefone Power 6 features the 16MP selfie camera, updating Ulefone camera phones to a new generation. The 16MP plus 2MP dual rear camera, with the flagship grade f/1.8 big aperture. Hold the Ulefone Power 6 comfortably with one hand, while an advanced back fingerprint sensor swiftly unlocks it. And the revolutionary face detection. Ulefone Power 6 with NFC, no need to worry about multifarious cards or forgetting to take money with you.